In the vastness of space, how do we know where we are? We rely on the vernal equinox. As the sun crosses the celestial equator each spring, this moment becomes astronomy's key reference point. It marks the 0 point for right ascension, resets our astronomical measurements, and anchors our seasonal calendars. But this reference point is not fixed among the stars. Earth is not perfectly steady. It slowly wobbles on its axis, a motion known as the precession of the equinoxes. Because of this wobble, our position drifts over long time spans. Today, our axis points to Polaris. But in approximately 12,000 years, the North Star will be Vega. This is the long cosmic clock. The shift is subtle, roughly 1 degree every 72 years. But if you do the math, 72 times 360 degrees, you find that one full wobble, a complete precession cycle, takes 25,920 years. Because of this drift, star coordinates must be constantly recalibrated to new reference epochs, like J 2000.0. It is the same principle we use in daily life. Commerce may use pounds and ounces, while science uses kilograms. Different systems, but shared standards. We continually update them so that observers, whether weighing an object or mapping the stars, stay aligned. From star positions to weight measures, progress depends on trusted reference points. Without a fixed point, nothing stays aligned. This principle reveals a hidden pattern in the cosmos, which we explore in our new 3-part cinematic series. Start
Part 2. Mapping the Heavens, Shaping the Soul.